Welcome, we are in a fish. There's a message in a bottle, and this is what you want to do. So to say, there's a water damage note inside coordinates, and the grappled freeze travel to Roslet and pick up a crate. All right, you go to Roslet, pick up crate. So you spawn on the ski jet. The ski jet you find here next to this man, and you can pick up the boat here, and you go way to the Roslet Bay and want to pick up a crate. So you have to look for and see if you can find this crate, and the crate is white if you will find it, and then pick it up. So yeah, this it's going to be right there on Roslet Bay, but it's going to be a lot more harder, but pretty easy to find it, not going to lie, and yeah, that's to do it, and peace out.